Wax resist is one way that you can prevent underglaze or glaze from sticking to your project. Wax is very gooey and it can ruin brushes, so do not use glaze brushes to apply the wax. Try using a ruined brush. Generally, people apply wax to the bottom of pots before they dip them in glaze so that the glaze doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot and then also to the bottom of the kiln. The wax kind of prevents this. In this case, I am just brushing a design onto the surface of my project. Once I have let my wax air dry, I can apply glaze or underglaze right on top of it, and it will prevent the underglaze or glaze from sticking to the project. I don't want to let my wax dry with the heat gun though, because it would just melt the wax. You can also use the sponge technique to apply over dry wax.